Many of these older communities have lead service lines remaining in their systems, and it's important that we recognize that that's a risk, and so we just need to remove those lines.
I contacted the office that's handling the lead removal program. They told me that, there's a long list, but if there's a child under 6 or a pregnant person in the house, then you can, cut the line essentially. So I was like, oh, cool, yeah, I'm pregnant. There's a grant. So to know that there was no cost while we're doing everything else was huge, especially with the baby coming.
Actually being here on a residence site and seeing how this project happens and how non-invasive it is to the homeowner, it's fantastic. I went down into the basement. They drilled that tiny hole through the basement and all the way out through the front yard. And they just ran the copper line all the way through out to the street. And for the homeowners, that is a blessing.
This is with the Ohio EPA along with the H2 Ohio dollars. I think the important piece with those H2 Ohio dollars is that what we're seeing now. Look how our dollars are being spent and how important that is.
It's important for us to make sure that we're getting the lead out of our water lines so that it doesn't harm anyone or any child living in any of our homes here.